Okay guys, we're going to go and see what bars are open down this way. We've just been up the Rincon area up to Sinatra's Premium, and there's not a lot open up that way. Looks like the Piccailly and the $2 will be open still. What did surprise me a little bit is the Rock and Roll House still open. Good night in there, get into that. Mariano's still open. Yeah, Piccailly there, got karaoke inside. Yeah, that's nice. And $1, of course. They put the awnings on the outside. Just keep you warm. It's not too bad tonight, to be honest. 16 degrees, we're sitting down the front. It's warmer than the other day when I was out filming. So Arcos this side, can't see whether that's open still or looks like that's closed. So it'd just be the Sol Pelicanos open. I've heard very mixed reports about this hotel. So the hotel was okay, but the food isn't very good. Let me know if you stop there what the food was like. Yeah, I ordered out for Christmas. Sometimes with the food, it's just people like the British food. It's more Spanish style. There you go, even got the new sign. Well, let me know if you stop there. The wine barrel there. I don't know if you can see that on the sign, probably not. We're all glaring out, there we go. Where to get all your cheap booze from. I'm not going to be quoted, but I think that's the cheapest Carling I've seen in Benidorm. 95 cents a can. Considering it's got to come all the way over here, 3 times the price in the UK. Would be 4 times the price in the UK. Yeah, that's cheap. The flash there. Don't know, they've got too many in this this week. It's always a couple of weeks before Christmas. This is the best time to get over here. If you just want a holiday and a bit of sun in the daytime, there's a Christmas tree over there. You've got a strip over the road, that's nice and handy. We've plenty of bars open down there still. A few of the bars have shut up to give the staff a rest before Christmas. But you know, it's not going to be a major shutdown in Benidorm. Yeah, that's the best way of putting it. Calypso. Looking good with the lights. Oh, I've got their bar underneath there. Doesn't look very full. Not too many in there this week. So that's a brilliant place to come for Christmas. Last year it was 30 degrees Christmas Day. I don't think it's going to be this year. The weather's gone. It's not too bad, like, but having the odd cold day. I mean, today it was hot enough to sit out. Probably 20 degrees, maybe a bit more. And nice and sunny. Where are we now? Thursday today. On, I think it was Tuesday, it was quite cold and 14 degrees. That's the kind of temperatures we get this year. We just take it up to Uncle Bed's. You want to come out for a pint? I believe the beer in there is $1.50 now. We've had to put it up 50 cents. There you go. That's Uncle Bed's for you. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye.